Every day, electricity powers the way we live and work, from homes and factories to businesses of all sizes. With a registered capital of 251 million baht, KK Energy has become KKE, continuing our journey toward a more sustainable energy future. At KKE, we take care of every step of your solar journey, from energy analysis and system design to installation, approvals, and ongoing support, delivering the best fit solution for your needs. Every project begins with understanding. We analyze energy consumption, evaluate operating costs, and design the most suitable solution to maximize energy savings for each customer. Because we believe the best solar solution isn't just about putting panels on a roof. It's about delivering real business value. Once we clearly understand our customers' needs, our site survey team conducts a comprehensive on-site assessment, gathering all the critical information needed. Then hand over to design engineers who carefully optimize every detail, from panel layout and system capacity to every technical calculation. From site management and quality control to safety compliance, every step is carried out with precision and care. Because we believe a reliable solar system starts with a well-executed installation. Behind every successful project is a dedicated team, from procurement and documentation to ongoing operations and maintenance. We ensure every system delivers reliable performance for years to come. We partner with leading global brands, to ensure that every project is built with high-quality equipment that meets international standards. Over the years, KKE has become a trusted partner for leading industrial and commercial businesses nationwide, helping drive their transition to clean energy. Because clean energy is more than just sunlight. It's the result of dedicated people working together every day to build a more sustainable future. KKE, your complete solar energy solutions partner, delivering clean energy today for a more sustainable tomorrow. KKE Solar, clean energy for a sustainable future.